Hi everyone, let's quickly see how we can add a group box element on your forms or surveys in BreezyBit Form Builder in your Salesforce org. As you see, I have a test form here that I created with multiple fields, and on the left side, as you see, I have the form elements section here. So if I open this up, you will see that there are different elements, and one of them is the group box element. And if I want to add this onto my form or survey, it's drag and drop. I can just add it like this. Then if I want to change the settings here, like the label of this group box, for example, let's say I want to call this personal information, right? I can change it. I can, if I want to change the width of this group element, I can do that too. But let's keep it as a default value. And if I want to add actually any visibility filters on this group box, so I can do that too. But here, let's say on this group box, I want to group these fields on the form, and it's called personal information, right? If I just save this form, and since everything is happening natively in your org, you don't need to do any field mappings, you don't need to publish anything, your form is ready to use, share with your customers. Let's use the form URL. If I click on this, as you see, personal information group box as a UI element as well. Actually, it looks really nice. It's added on your form. And if you want to add visibility filters, for example, let's say you're using, you want this whole group box to be visible only when, let's say, the account name is a certain thing. You can do it easily. If I click on the group box, here I have the visibility filter settings. And if I say I want this to be visible only when the account name equals Hakan, for example, when the user enters Hakan as the account name. If I save the form, go to the form itself, as you see, the group box is not visible. It's going to be visible only when the user enters Hakan. So I can set the visibility for a group of elements, group of fields right now using the group box easily. And as I mentioned, it's a nice, really nice looking UI element on your forms or surveys too. But this is how you use the group box. See you in the next video. Thank you.